Howdy y'all. I'm Daisy. This here is my cow Clara and my rooster Ronnie. We found this wanted sign on the farm and discovered we have some work to do learning how to add and subtract fractions. Giddy up? Ronnie here counted eggs from the chicken house and found that 1/4 of the eggs were brown and 5/8 of the eggs were white. We want to know the difference in the amount of white and brown eggs. Clara made us a handy model again because we know we must have a common denominator before adding or subtracting fractions. Look at that. 4ths and 8ths line up perfectly. There are 2 8ths in 1/4. We have found our common denominator, 8. I am going to replace 1/4 with 2 8ths because we know they are equivalent. We know 5/8 of the eggs are white, and 2/8 of the eggs are brown. 5/8 minus 2/8 equals 3/8. Clara here made this new model for us to show the difference in the fraction of skim milk and 2% milk she made. Our job is to determine the expression that goes along with it. We can see this first model is broken into tenths and 8 pieces are colored in. This model represents the fraction 8/10. The second model is broken into 5 pieces and 2 pieces are colored in. This model represents the fraction 2/5. If we want to find the difference, we need to subtract 2/5 from 8/10. We must have a common denominator in order to make this happen. We can see the fifths line up perfectly with our tenths and that there are 2 tenths in 1/5. This means there are 4 tenths in 2/5. I am going to replace 2/5 with 4 tenths since we know they are equivalent. Now we can subtract. 8 tenths minus 4 tenths equals 4 tenths. Congratulations! You are ready to practice this skill on your own. Yeehaw!